Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surprise. So today's video is going to be very interesting and really helpful for digital marketers, SEO professionals, developers, researchers, and anyone who works online. So before we talk about, let's understand first what is proxy. Proxy acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet. It helps businesses and professionals manage online activities more efficiently, work with location specific data, conduct market research. That's why proxies have become an essential tool for many professionals and business around the world. Comes to reliable proxy service, Proxy-Seller is one of the leading proxy providers in the market. So they have 185,000 users worldwide, and they provide residential proxies, mobile proxies, IPv4, IPv6, ISP, and they provide proxies different locations, which is 220 plus locations. Today's video I will show you how Proxy-Seller works, how to purchase proxies, access your proxy details, and set everything step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And I have a special coupon code for you, which is 15% discount. So for buying proxies, you have to choose which proxies you want to buy. Firstly, you have to choose IPv4, IPv6, residential proxies or mobile proxies. So I would choose IPv4 proxies, and you have to select location, which location you I want to get USA proxy, so I have selected USA. Here you have to select period. You can buy 1 week proxies with the I would choose 1 week proxies. You have to provide the quantity. So if you want to buy 100 proxies, then you have to put 100 in this box, quantity box. So total cost is $72. Buy one proxy. So here I have put one. Here I have to click buy proxy. So don't be worried. I have an coupon code for everyone, which will get 15% discount. So as I have already selected USA proxy and intended to use, so which purpose I want to use it. So I will choose Google Ads. Selected lateral period 1 week, quantity 1, email address here. So I have put my email address and payment method. So I will see, and here is showing the prices $0.9. So I will use coupon code. So click on have coupon, and here you have to put this coupon code purpose. So as you can see, this here is showing success and $0.14 have discounted. If you want 200 proxies, then you will also get 15% discount. So I will buy 101 proxy and then click submit, and then click on submit order. So now I have to here put the card number. So I have provided my card details, and now I will click on pay. Fully purchase the proxy. Here is showing that thank you for your payment. I will click on personal account. I had already created a account for this, so I will provide account and password. And here I have to go to my orders. So as you can see, this I have got this proxy IP address, and here, so I will show you how you can set up this proxy in from Entity Tech browser. So I have installed Ads Power Entity Tech browser. As you can see, this Ads Power Entity Tech browser I have. So I will set up this proxy in this Entity Tech browsers. So firstly, you have to log in by your accounts, and you have to click on new profile. You have to put the name, profile name. So I will put, so will be automatically selected, and then here you have to go to section, click on proxy. So here you have to select this proxy type, click on this and click HTTP. Take host number and port number from this IP, copy port numbers and put it in the box and copy it, username and password. We'll check it is working or not. So as you can see this, the connection test passed, which means the proxy IP is working and the location is showing US, California, Los Angeles, latitude, longitude and zip code is here. So here I will provide the link, save it. Okay. So now I will open the, click on open. You can see this, it is IP address and my proxy address is matching successfully, and here I have created this Google profile which is working perfectly. So this is USA proxy and California, Los Angeles. So thank you so much for your time. I will provide affiliate link in the video descriptions. You can get affiliate link from this video. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.